Meaning of guide dog.
Guide dog.
Guide dog.
Guide dog.
Guide dog. A guide dog is a specially trained canine that helps individuals with visual impairments to navigate their surroundings. These dogs are incredibly intelligent, obedient and hard-working animals that provide their handlers with a sense of confidence, independence and companionship. In addition to guiding their owners through everyday obstacles such as stairs, curbs, and doors, these animals serve as trusted friends who can alert their handlers to potential hazards, and assist with various tasks around the home. Ultimately, guide dogs are a vital part of the daily lives of those with visual impairments, providing comfort, security, and more freedom of movement.